In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change widget size on iPhone. We will walk through resizing an existing widget on your home screen so you can make key information easier to see at a glance. First, go to your home screen. If you just unlocked your phone, you are probably already there. If not, swipe up once to exit any app, and you should see your rows of app icons and any widgets you have already added. Take a quick moment to look for the widget you want to resize so you know exactly where it is before you start editing. Now, touch and hold an empty area until the apps and widgets start to jiggle. Empty area means a spot where there is no app icon and no widget. After you hold for a second or two, the icons will shrink slightly and start wiggling, and small minus buttons will appear in the corners. That visual change tells you that you are in home screen edit mode and can safely adjust widgets without opening anything by accident. With edit mode active, touch and hold the widget you want to resize. Be sure you press on the widget itself, not on a nearby app icon. Hold for a brief moment until its context menu appears. On most iPhones, you will feel a short vibration as that menu pops up. The rest of the screen will blur slightly in the background, which is a good sign that you are working with the right widget. Depending on the widget, you will now either see size options in that menu or a resize handle on the widget. If you see size options in the menu, tap a different size option from the widget menu. For example, some widgets offer small, medium, or large layouts. When you tap another size, the widget will jump to that new layout right away, so you can instantly see how much more or less information it shows. If instead you see a little handle in the lower right corner of the widget, place your finger on that handle and drag the resize handle in the lower right corner to make it larger or smaller. As you drag, the widget will expand or shrink and will snap to the home screen grid. A quick tip here, if the widget will not resize, that means the app developer only supports a fixed size for that widget, which is normal for some apps in newer iOS versions. Once you are happy with how the widget looks, tap Done when finished. The Done button usually appears in the top right corner of the screen. When you tap it, the icons stop jiggling and the minus buttons disappear, which confirms you have left edit mode and locked in your new widget size. You have just resized an existing widget on your iPhone home screen so it matches the space and information you need. If this helped you clean up your home screen, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple iPhone tips.